A super freak, I'm a freak you in the sheets, looking for me in the streets. Big E, make a nigga tipsy. Big E, make a nigga tip me. Big E, make a nigga tipsy. Make a nigga tip me and never ever trick me. Whistle, will ya bar? Whistle, will ya bar? Whistle. I met a dude named Kofi in the club. Had big palms and he always show me love. Hey Papa, won't you come to Mama?
Hello? Yeah, no way. No, baby, I would direct me some membrane, but only I say many time. Time and I'll over. Would your debut story, sir? It's time and over. Hello?
James Gardiner. I know you want. James Gardiner. They said you're going to be going. Ah, James Gardiner. James Gardiner. Professional actor. Oh. Yeah. David, who you be? Who you me fun? That's how Côte d'Ivoire, Paul d'Ivoire. Vous je vous le James Gardiner le premier. What do you want to what? Mr. No, what do you want? Yeah. What do you want to know? I know what we yeah, James Gardiner.
Yes, mama.
James Gardiner.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma. Just be the mama.
Yes, ma.
James Gardiner. Yes, I think James Gardiner who would you judge? Wow. Love what would you? Hey, of course, I'm free. James Gardiner. James Gardiner. Huh? James Gardiner in the meaning say. I like Obia or Punipa. Obia or Punipa. Gardiner, dear, you focus on. Why got some free? Let me know. Let me wear me fun. That is why I'm a fan. So you move through a Massa, the Côte d'Ivoire, you go for I'm going to do. I'm going to do. I'm Côte d'Ivoire. I play the James Gardiner. I play the James Gardiner. I play James Gardiner will be what did you to bro for you? You I say I play the plan. That's why the reason what is when your number catch it. James,
how many years?
Yeah, Charlie.
How many years?
Could be a long time.
Who that me some about Benjamin say
No, I'm busy. Gee, Charlie, what's up, man?
I'm on, what's I like your shoes,
Oh,
man.
you like my shoes? Look at your shoe. Yo,
Oh
my God.
Hey,
Charlie.
Come on, I'm a no boy.
Hey.
How far?
But you be there.
Okay.
My cat just a wool and they can pay.
Yeah.
Oba. Hey, how me?
Is she beautiful?
Last time, getting on a dinner number. And in the picture, Sunday.
Yeah.
And who want to say?
Perfect. She's so beautiful. She's so fine. Her hair.
Butters.
It's a way. What time? You're shut away.
She busy.
She's busy.
She's busy. Listen to me, my brother.
You
just go home. You tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
So I'll bring the girl to your home.
Okay.
You just
don't disappoint me, bro.
Oh, yo,
you better not disappoint me.
I will never disappoint you.
Because you have some dollars.
You'll be my homie. Once you're homeboy, always your homeboy.
You do your part.
I will never disappoint you.
You do your part. I do my part.
Can you give me the paper?
I want to see the goods before. I don't want to pay before I see the goods. Is that all right?
You just give me my paper. I will bring the girl to you. You're I miss you. You're my nigga. Oh my God, James Gardiner.
Yeah,
you look at you, man. You're looking good.
Thank you,
Can
man.
you give me a walking against
I'm
walking?
learning from you too. I'm learning from you. Look at you all swagged up. Look at you all swagged up.
Come on, man.
Brother.
So where are you going now?
To the lady, no?
To the lady. I told you. You just go home. You tired.
Let me go relax.
I will bring the. I will never disappoint you, James Gardiner.
Come
on, man. Let you come, man.
I got my eyes on you, bro.
Come on.
I got my eyes on you,
man. I see you later, man. James Gardiner. Are you going?
I got my eyes on you, bro.
You know what?
I got my eyes on you, bro.
I meet you, man. Man. Look at you, man. Look at you. I would the black is gotta be modified to live, man.
A super freak, I'm a freak you in the sheets, looking for me in the streets. Big E, make a nigga tipsy. Big E, make a nigga tip me. Big E, make a
make. Huh? Who's you?
me idea. My love for train me. My sister was on me.
See, as some make a trono. Madame Fubi Frabri Chiraba. Now, poor Bassy, come one. Me person who call me the money keke. You could just it's a business. Baby, I will call a name call.
Business, but what person would do a girlfriend or come out before how? I don't understand. I made them in TB. That means me.
Yeah, just business.
Which business? Which house is business? I don't remember. I shall win answer me.
Menka, I'm not saying you are a prostitute. No, don't say that.
But that's what it sounds like.
No,
it sounds like you want me to do some prostitute stuff. Like,
it's not that. You just listen to me. I'm your boyfriend.
Yes.
I'm not saying you are a prostitute. No, business is a business. A business, and I'm no way. Hey, madam, who is Cabby, one with your day. Your friend James, who is Cabby, one with your day. Young Jibini, to say, me, and I'm forming 10 my offer. Debbie, I cock club and I took wire. Just your fauba, your fasagi. It's Debbie and your fasagi. Huh? Young Coyino Cacribian and the car could run you to me at tea. Efia, what's wrong? Huh? Why are you behaving like that? Don't behaving like that.
I'm not behaving no way, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to. I'm not making free. It's no way for no time. I don't think I'm gonna feel comfortable doing it.
Listen, baby girl, do it for me. See, I am a girlfriend. I know say via Kujao Homano. We are just Kukra Wincho. What John Kakanana Bible now? Ya just gonna be a free. Efia. Look at you when you go good this cost more than $500 or $2,000. Huh? You know who says a channel change, you know, your copy scan way. You miss your journey. You miss your journey and functional system. I would order 2 minutes. We are Kabiashi, no go walk. Now read the trumpet.
Money, hago, money, financing come.
WWE woman in the Sago come away. And yes, I me too. I just who appearance naked Kuraseya Obetuya. Trust me, Charlie. If you are my phone, you do money, you did baby. I will call young Copesica face and son our baby. I walk. I'm a Jimmy Sam, my girlfriend, and I'm a do come out. WWE, I something like you know.
Mincho.
Now go child.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, grand.
Hi, bye.
Hi, bye. Okay, bye. JJ.
JJ then.
JJ Scar.
Like that.
Like 2 weeks and Kakwaya, Conan, sorry. Sorry, baby girl, sorry, baby girl, if you're sorry. Cool, what's it? Why?
Oh, don't let me know.
Ye mean him so dumb, but
me way more behind. I never
do that. Over baby, about we scam. Huh? Points in up by any genie. And the car crew, you better not check on a friend. Now you're done. You're going from me. Let me see the matron won't tell you. I match one. Don't take it. It's okay. Let's go. We are just short time. We will pay you to the standing here, party. You said you wouldn't need me, Mr.
Minimum,
good, but young chat. 2 minutes. And touching a gram, Mr. No more attracting me back. Somebody to mango. Yes, sir, boss. Boss. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. But boss.
As a car became even Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, she's my sister.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Efia.
Efia, Kyekyeku.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You have a nice car.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice the car.
Yeah. Well, I see anything?
Yeah, I'm looking for boss.
Looking?
I said I'm looking for boss.
For what reason?
Oh, he's my friend.
Oh, wow.
You don't know me?
No, I don't know you.
Kyekyeku.
Me, no Kyekyeku, yeah. Montana.
The maintains us.
Kyekyeku.
Yeah.
Kyekyeku.
Yeah.
Nah,
Efia Chinanko say blaby you are.
Chinanko. And then I'm just wanna call him.
Yeah.
All right.
Just wanna.
But can't you come inside or you want to?
No, you just call
Oh,
her.
okay. Yeah.
Is it okay for you?
Just call him.
No drink.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Then I want to call him for you.
Okay.
Guys.
Okay.
Alright.
Call him for me. So why you
Your name again?
Kyekyeku.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay.
But you can call me sugar bread.
Sugar bread. Sugar bread. So it's cell phone or Can me pack I say.
But yo, listen up. Don't tell me bullshit, man.
I'm not telling you bullshit.
Why you tell me bullshit?
I just want to describe your face.
You said I'm looking like a phone.
Sorry, let me come in front of me.
Are you watching your
It's okay.
face? Your face like a box.
Yeah, come with the person in the
Yeah, because it's Oh, that James. Is it James?
My brother.
Yo, my nigga. Yo, man, what's up, man?
Come on, talk
Oh,
to me.
you looking nice, good,
Yeah.
my boy. Oh,
Like
that's
what I
nice.
see too.
Yeah.
What? You say your friend. You say your friend.
That's my brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
Hey, but this your friend. Yeah.
But I told you already.
You look
man.
like a baking funnel. You know funnel.
If they don't stop spewing rubbish, I'll ask you to go inside.
Why you talk like that?
It's alright. He
Why
gets
do you
like
talk you talk like that to
that.
me?
Let's focus on the prize.
Aye, man. So this the girl. Yo, I see the girl. James.
Hi.
Hello.
James. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Can you give me
Oh,
a
you mind
Oh
if you
yeah,
give
I'm
me a
excuse me.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's good.
We know.
So what are you from?
I just landed actually
From where?
from the States.
Really?
Yeah.
Where? Which part?
New York.
Really? Oh my God! I've always wanted to go to
Yeah.
New York.
Really? I can take you to New York.
Really?
Yeah, I think
Oh my
you
God!
cute
I would
and all
love
that.
to.
Oh wow! This is so
You are
awesome.
so beautiful. I have
I-
never seen anyone like this.
Oh my God!
in my
Stop!
lifetime.
I'm blushing.
You want to
Thank
go
you.
inside or you want to inside?
Yeah, we can go inside for a little bit. You know. Yeah.
Take him back. Take him.
Hey,
boss.
James. Where are you going?
Inside?
Please, can you give me a minute? Come. A minute.
Oh.
James.
Also, awkward them now.
Yeah, blow phone here can
A minute.
A minute, James.
Boss, relax, okay?
What are you doing?
What's your queen?
Stand there. Who say go inside?
What's your queen?
Don't tell me bullshit. Stand there.
I don't know if
Don't you ever enter inside, okay?
That's
So go. Hey, James.
Everything okay?
Everything okay, James?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Get to know her more.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, he was asking where my phone was. I said I left my phone inside, like at the house.
At the
But
house.
it's okay. Yeah, it's fine.
We don't need a phone. It's all right.
Yeah, we don't need a phone.
Shut up.
boss we. We lose here, or no dear. When I want to go over use it. Ale, what's going on?
I know.
You want dear, bra. Wait, when you regulate and open one on the order. And when mammy, I know so own visa.
Mommy and friends are planning uncle.
Oh, sorry. Oh, but some mommy when you feel.
Bra,
Oh, bra, there is a watching. We say that's a watching.
man, chain no bra.
I
Come in, I'm doing a bad day.
Meaning
Why you
that-
put your mouth to
I'm sorry, boss.
What is going on?
But nothing going on. But the mommy.
But my mom is home. What if you? My mom.
But she's a big girl.
No, I know she's a
mean, mommy?
big girl, but the mommy, she's controversial. Sometimes.
Listen, let me tell you something. Look,
Hey, I don't know how many Tiana.
I know you set me up with this girl, man, but let me
James, I bear my man fan and
problem?
bear my man fan and
Oh, no, but oh, mama.
Oh, my had to but I'm in found call.
Ma ofie, ma ni fie.
About now, yes.
Ma ni fie, Jaisa.
James,
Relax for your friend.
Obia was sending the pictures near the dinner, mamma. I feel the only number I say up is outside the coffee.
You're going to drink.
inside the whole drink, Ben,
Hey,
But inside one drink ben now.
I'm thirsty.
Hey, man koko pa, the minim so be koko out for later.
Oh, what's all this though?
I told you the mommy is a very difficult.
But my mom is not home. She's at work.
She said the mom is not home. What's your problem?
Shut up.
Boss, you can't talk to a lady like that, you know. I'm not going to allow it. She's my princess now. She's my queen.
James, obi ampa ma wawale o. And na me so no wo nipa no. Me ye ho
Na
sa
problem na nyo kwen na de ba.
I'm didn't buy a but ma me ha dwene.
O ma me ha dwene.
E ba ye beti me bra.
No, so ma me ha dwene na de ba.
No be say a minute after na dey go why dem say.
Ono wa be
Listen. I think I know what the problem is. Look, I'm going to go inside and bring the cash for you. Is that okay?
What am I no nyina hana?
Oh, where are you going?
Woba.
Where are you going?
No, I have to.
Oh, you can go with him. You can go with him.
Something like what?
Oh, you know, just
Confess cab let me
cash.
Oh, we don't need any money. Oh, why? It's okay.
Oh, he doesn't?
No, he's fine. We don't need okay. He doesn't need any money.
Okay, cool.
I thought.
You
Okay,
go
cool is
right.
panting.
What do you need money for? It's fine. Oh no. I'll give him money later. It's okay, bro.
Okay, so then I can give it to you, then you give it to him.
Yeah. That'll
That's
be fine.
fine.
I can. I'll see you home. I'll see you at the house. I'll see you at the house. I'll see you at the house.
Okay, so where are they?
Wait, no.
Oh, don't mind. Let's go.
Oh, I'm talk to James.
James is
Okay,
fine.
where?
Customer treno. Hey, me me yes adai. Me customer treno pan adai.
Okay, hold on. Just
Who the
give me a
minister
second.
say we
I
a drama
want
for
to understand. Yo,
James,
you can't talk to my girl like that.
James, yeah, some na make a turn. Girl no wawale. You see I no be test me see. Say you kun so je ni, Mr.
Wait, so she's
married
married to a soldier.
Somebody test me.
Why are you lying?
know
I'm
where
married
the
to who? Where's the ring on my finger? I'm married to who? What am I married
let me
to?
see, let
There's
me
no
see.
ring on my finger. I'm single.
no mark. There's
I'm
no- there's
single.
no-
I have
there's
a
no ring
boyfriend.
mark.
You are single
I'm
for now.
very single.
Single for now.
Well, now I met James.
Oh, wow.
Talk to me.
Let me know where
I feel somebody can say. Who can buy quite a broken buy?
Let's
The
just
broken
go,
buy
let's
now.
go, yeah.
You
I
need
I want
to
to
question
understand what the
him.
problem is. Is it still,
With
you
the
know what?
mama minute.
Let me just get the money. Let me
No, we don't need any money for what?
Who bought them home? Who bought them home?
Me born am say.
Bah, mama kasi ke me get home.
Wait.
No,
What?
No.
James,
No.
she's my girl.
That's your girl?
No.
Leave her.
No, how?
I saw your girl. I know the
It's
girl
not
pictures
true.
that sending me. Say,
Exactly. And now
just
the
here.
girl pictures, but me send it.
Please, is your boyfriend?
No, how? He's
You
my
know
brother.
him?
He's my.
Put me on bra. Me tira on the me ni me
I'm not getting this story right.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
James,
Boss, I didn't write that. I didn't write that.
She said you are my brother.
I didn't write them.
James,
Why are we
he's-
wasting time? Let's go.
Let's go inside.
James.
How can you be my boyfriend?
So what's the meaning of
Can
this?
Can I date someone like this? Come on.
I mean, I'll be surprised because he's my brother, but, you know.
How can I date someone like this?
Now, per se.
It's a trail, so you'll be out in it. I know the pictures best send them. Say, Oba, when I was
Sending a Gillian, you picture now, my name said,
now we'll show you Nigeria now.
Charlie, James, let's go inside.
Efia.
James,
Mefro.
a person who come and who gave it. I want to
I don't want to be just
Let us do
say now the carry say.
because of it.
Now on to I don't
He's
He's delusional. One for you. I also or a psychiatric.
Look, if this is about the money, let me just go inside and then share. Aka. If this is about the
now
money,
we have to be cheap for Muhammad.
Boss. You better leave this guy.
No,
I
leave me for what?
I know what this guy can do. I know the face.
you don't tell me what to take and you don't tell me what to leave. Is that
Exactly.
alright?
Shut up.
You're even talking too much.
All right.
Shut up.
Listen,
James, do you want to die?
What?
Do
I told you.
want to die?
Shut up. Let me
James,
talk.
do you
is
want
he
to
your
die?
man or he's not?
He's not my man. He's my cousin.
Leave the girl.
He has mental issues.
Leave the girl,
Look at
James.
the things
I
he's in.
swear.
One for
I still want the boy. I still want the boy.
Like Alzheimer's. It sounds so amnesia.
No, I'm not saying me.
You see?
I'm not
Oh, yeah,
saying
okay,
Okaku.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you come here. Let me hear you come here. Let's go.
Look, you can't.
Move from here.
You can't talk to a lady like that.
She's my wife.
But she said, come on, bro. She said that you are not a man.
Look at me.
Who said it?
She said.
Who said it? Who said it?
How's he gonna be my
If you
man?
say that I'm not your boyfriend, I will curse you.
That's all it is.
I will curse you right now. James,
take it easy.
leave the girl.
Bro,
I can't take
no,
it
no,
easy.
no, listen,
This person, I can't take it easy.
Ever since you sent me her
I
photos,
can't.
I've been thinking about it.
I can't, James.
Are you for this guy?
I'm madly in love with him.
Come on.
That's all.
Let's go.
I'm madly in love with him
James,
right now.
do you want to die?
No.
Hey, either you marry this guy, you
you die.
James!
Hey. Akumatia day. If I tell my dear blessed, I had a match wife and you want to do I dear about party, I hear me. Me can no. I know you, madam, will be from the chama. And a madam for me for a bow, and I'm doing quack, because a young auntie, you know, could you believe some again? I can fall your castle.
What's Akabenezer?
Walk on you, who bear money color, no. Wouldn't there be a tongue quay, but met me a research, and Miss Malcolm. I'm for some pork. Hey, baby, some pork. Oh, yeah, baby.
Now, baby, what if you grew up and cry? Why wouldn't you cry a blabber? A class day by prime. No, wait, Mamma,
Obani disappointed me.
Obani disappointed.
Disappointed.
When you say, when you walk up, Kawanyansa, and Kawan Obani, I generate more use my jama.
Jimmy,
what Jimmy last
my Jimmy Sam Black down here.
What's in Galeto?
My Jimmy Sam,
What Jimmy Angus? My Jim of him. Yansa, and what you want to be a not on babu anymore. I don't watch him, I come out anymore, the man on babu.
Bama. I see what it. Who catch him some